Hello guys, I was from Wakwaba and sent to me YouTube for announced say 500 subscribers based monetization or my extending it to other countries. So you'll be a unim and answer 500 subscribers based monetization na video will make once. First, before say YouTube monetize I just say when you 1,000 subscribers, now when you 4,000 watch hours, and I say when you 10 million views in shorts. Now, anyone na YouTube a year monetization for free by our 500 subscribers monetization based. And no matter how kind, Emma unya access to some monetization aspect be. That monetization no include say ubenya a year fan funding and shopping. Or more me are eligible for a year 500 subscribers based monetization no. Nyama mi pen na also unya. Did can say also subscribers count no, we do 500. When we are now fee or say the past 90 days no what post 2 video or public I am yes 3 public videos for the last 90 days. So when we are now fee wape a year 3,000 watch hours account and I say 3 million public views short. And to be frank, 3,000 watch hours and yet small job. The main difference between a year 1,000 subscribers monetization and a year 500 subscribers monetization is say with this 500 monetization, 500 subscribers monetization, you won't earn from ad revenue, which means YouTube place ad videos who are into your car. Name no say shopping, which makes you car through shopping, and no bit me link or shops. Now the products are go now offense and I at me at all near maybe now when you do and I say fund funding also. I just say offense bit me at your car. And have some membership so on. Sub mode of monetization. And you are allowed to 1K and I say 1,000 subscribers monetization idea. And my whole kind ama revenue it's your car. When you free ad revenue and have so all those a year ways of making money online and making about a year 500 subscribers monetization count and so can be. Nyami opinion dear. It's better this way. So when you have 500 subscribers, maybe 500 subscribers, no, or me very dedicated to you. Now she said, "Ombeti me abwawa, ebe bwao." Say all the product be to one ma, ombeti ma shopping. And I say even 3,000 watch hours, and I say 4,000 watch hours. Now also when you asana, why you eligible for monetization on ad revenue, and I say a 500 subscribers monetization. Now when you the best way I think you can get to a year 4,000 watch hours, and I said 3,000 watch hours. And they say, "Obeko life." It's in case of say, over 500 subscribers. Then out of the 500 subscribers, no, over 100 subscribers be or more they be or more active page, no. And it's say, "Koba say Oko life." I say that 100 subscribers, no, 80 me tune in, no more share. Let's just say, "Oh yeah, live for 30 minutes." That's 100 people share. We accumulated 1,000 watch hours. Yes, so obviously. And yet can be an as Oko life nipa 100 no ebia na andrew ebia bet ma base nipa 10 na afia. Okay, say nipa 10 mbona say dey be up to me call life ebia every 2 weeks and every 1 week bia to me call life minu and amiensa, which me say watch time and as a watch hours no e be accumulate in 10 for me personally no. So yes, small channel to say me na you are struggling to get a year 3,000 watch hours for this 500 monetization, and I say for the 1,000 and I say for instance 1K subscribers a year monetization now, the best way to reach that very fast and they say ube call live. Yes, ube call live. Now call live most of the times now I'm watch hours no. This 500 subscribers based monetization no, YouTube for I extended it to many countries, and thank God most of the African countries kakrebi I there and make it on the list. Countries be say Ghana and Nigeria, Algeria so Morocco ni in Yadika. Na listing ni ubitima share listing no so country e ka ho bia ubitima and ebia we Ghana ni wakodi ebia Algeria wakodi country go from, you can just check on the list and see so country no e ka ho bia if your country is eligible there, then ubitima fa a year this subscribers base a 500 subscribers base monetization no ahase na also the next kakra e wo YouTube has. Anyway, the name is HY and you know exactly how we do it. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next one.